your boy Sway back with another video, man. Damn, I only paid like $55 in that shit, but yeah, man, it's your boy Sway back with another video. You know, got the green shorts toe on today, you know. Look, POV to Goodwill, meet with the homies. Little drive, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, man, it's been a great day. It's been raining a lot lately, so I haven't been really can't get no videos, but yeah. We got new tires on this thing now, so I'm getting grip, you know what I'm saying. It's like a little straight area right here. I'm about to give y'all a little pull with the windows down. Okay, you're gonna go. All right, go. Oh, brother. Wait till his car go fast. Had the windows down the whole time. So I'm recording. Bruh, these tires, bruh, I love new tires, bruh, because this, I get so much grip, bruh. Can't really see. Tires get so much grip, bruh, it's crazy. Yeah, I still haven't got my brakes done, but I'm gonna do them this week sometime. That's fucking crazy. But this car is crazy, bruh. Every time I drive it, I don't know, man. See what I'm recording. I can smell that rubber. Let me make sure I'm recording. Shit crazy. It's a great day today though. No, that's not Jack. Is that Jack? I don't know. Another great day to waste some gas. I don't know if I can see my stick shift, but it's fucking tearing off right here. And this bus loud as hell. But yeah, maybe about to go to the west side of town, you know what I'm saying? Go to the Goodwill, try to get some stuff. So I'm gonna just take a little cruise over there. I ain't gonna try to talk that much, but y'all like me talking in the video, so I'm gonna just talk sometimes. Look, they car smell like oil. Straight oil in front of this Honda smell like straight oil. I might ride my bike today too, shit. If I want some POV on my bike, let me know, cause I'll do that. God damn, this bro, his car smells like straight oil, bruh. I gotta get from behind him. Shit. You know, man, long live my boy Leak, you know. That wine is crazy. POV driving the fucking stick shift, cause this shit is trash. It's trash in the city. Shit's trash. This video could be like POV driving the Camaro ZL1 manual or some shit in the fucking little town or some shit. I don't know. Probably not. It's kind of a terrible title. I'm doing this just for y'all, the windows down, man, cause it's hot as balls out here, my boy. Yes, D. God damn, brother. Speed up, brother. Is anybody in front of you, brother? Nobody's not in front of this guy, brother. That's my way of telling people out the way. Go faster. This is crazy. Why are we going so goddamn slow? Boy, it's hot them balls out here, brother. God damn. Oh, brother, we're all in helly traffic too. We in this lane, brother. Bro, ain't nobody in behind. Bro, you driving so slow. Oh, it's an old lady, so that don't matter. Like when you're driving slow, then I see some old lady, and I'm like, oh, okay. But if it's just like somebody young like me, I'm like, bro, what's your problem, bro? Baby. Damn, that's all. Motherfucker sound nasty. My mom. Motherfucker sound nasty. Motherfucker sound nasty. Dang, look at me. Why you bidding them? God damn. You know you can. See, it's not fun when you got a stick shift and it's traffic like this. This shit is the cons of having a stick shift, because you got to keep shifting one to first to second, back and forth, you know what I'm saying? And I'm just stopped right here. I remember when I first got when I first got this car, because this car, I need to fix this. I need to order me one. Oh my gosh, that's terrible. When I first got this car, because this is my first like manual car, bro. Standing on a hill like this, bro, I would roll back so much. I'll be so scared because I'll roll down and roll back in somebody's car when I first got this car, bro. Now I'm just a pro at this shit now. So I remember when I first bought my car, my first time driving this car, bro, I didn't know how to even stick shift or not. I just watched YouTube videos, bro. I remember my first pull, bro, I was trying to rip this mud, but like 0 to 60, trying to shift it fast as hell. It did not work. I just took a shower too, man. One of those down, sweating. But it's okay though, it's just for the content for y'all. You know, I love y'all. You know what I'm saying? Oh damn, brother. Need to get them brakes done, brother. I've been saying I need my brakes done for the past like 8 videos. If y'all haven't noticed that. Yeah, this the sucky part about having what the fuck? Something like chicken or something failed. Straight rocks just fall out his truck. Yeah, rocks. Yeah, rocks fall. Bruh, all them rocks just fall out his truck. I was not about to get hit by that. Straight rocks fall out that freaking truck. Ooh, green light. Hold up, brother. Let me get in front of you, brother. There might be a cop right behind me. I get 0 fucks like Russ. Turning with his Z. Yeah, man, it's 93 degrees, you know. How the fuck, boy? But the Goodwill, like right down the street, hey, she was all in my business. I know I'm handsome, baby. You know what I'm saying? You can look, but you can't touch, you know? You can look, baby, but you can't touch, you know what I'm saying? That's tough. I know I look good, though. I ain't got no haircut or nothing, though. I gotta turn this air on a little bit, brothers. That TRX? No, that's not TRX. I thought it was TRX. there. It came this way. Now you got the sauce. You don't got no chicken, baby. Real rope guts. And that money, it's a must. Do we not know how to turn on a green light? Or we're just, you know, we're just driving slow today. Okay, brother. That fucking wand is crazy. Outside video of this. The outside video. Alright, man. That's it for this video. POV. I don't know what I'm gonna name this video yet, but obviously you're gonna see it when I post it on YouTube. I need a car wash, but yeah. Make sure hold on, let me fix that. Make sure I like, comment on the video. New tires that I'm damn, I need a car wash. But make sure y'all like, comment on the video. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, I got a lot of videos. I'm gonna post 3 or 4 times a week. So it's gonna be 3 times, 4 times a week of POV videos. So make sure y'all like, subscribe to the video and stuff like that. And I'm out, man. Peace.